Welcome to QA Explorers. In this video, we will discuss what test cases are, why they are important in software testing, and how to create effective test cases. What are test cases? A test case is a set of instructions or actions that are executed to verify whether a software application behaves as expected. Test cases provide a clear set of steps for testers to follow and ensure that software is tested thoroughly before it is released to the end users. Why are test cases important? Test cases are essential in software testing because they help to ensure that the software is tested thoroughly and that it meets the requirements and expectations of end users. By executing test cases, testers can identify defects and errors in the software and provide developers with feedback on how to fix them. Test cases also help to ensure that the software is reliable, robust, and meets the business needs of the organization. How to create effective test cases. Creating effective test cases is essential to ensure that software is tested thoroughly and that it meets the requirements and expectations of end users. Here are some steps to follow when creating effective test cases. Define the objective of the test case. The objective of the test case should be clearly defined, and it should outline the expected result of the test case. Identify the test scenario. Identify the test scenario and determine the input data required for the test case. The test scenario should be based on the requirements and specifications of the software. Determine the test steps. Determine the test steps required to execute the test case. The test steps should be clear and concise, and they should be easy to understand and follow. Identify the expected result. Identify the expected result of the test case. The expected result should be based on the requirements and specifications of the software. Execute the test case. Execute the test case and record the actual results. The actual results should be compared to the expected results to determine if the test case has passed or failed. Conclusion. In conclusion, test cases are an essential part of software testing, and they help to ensure that software is tested thoroughly and meets the requirements and expectations of end users. Creating effective test cases involves defining the objective of the test case, identifying the test scenario, determining the test steps, identifying the expected result, and executing the test case. Thank you for watching this video.